Right. Rambo in here right now. Aiden's getting real busy. Today, started fabricating the brackets for my bucket seat. Using a bit of box section, that small bit of box section. I'll cut the tops off so the nut can go in the stud. Need to widen the holes a little bit, just a little bit more. And then I'll place that where it needs to be, weld it on, job's good on. Steering column has been done. What else have I got to do? Weld the nuts on the bottom of the manifold so I can just screw the screws in without having to tighten it up on the bottom. The map sensor, I need to get some new injectors, no, coil packs for that engine. Wiring the map sensor, need to get new engine mounts. Get some poly engine mounts. Clean this up a little bit. Notch the chassis, need to clean that up. A few bits done. Show you the steering column. Yeah, not a lot today. I bought my tow rig last month, so money's been a bit short this month. Got a child on the way as well, so priorities, but nearly complete, nearly ready. It's the last few bits to do. Aiming for my birthday, October, to be out for. My pal's got a event going on at Driftland in August, end of August. I'm going to try and make it for that, but realistically, probably October, if all things go to plan. Yeah, I've got a bit of scrap metal there for the downpipe. Got another bit somewhere else with the O2 bung in it. Just going to do some power cuts and put that together. As you can see, stuff have been cut. Little bits have been cut out of the engine. All that stuff. That stops you getting access to bits when you need to get there quickly, especially when you're out drifting and that. Gonna crack on. First part of the bracket done. Into the back. Yeah, I've got a notch. This bit here that I've already notched. Do it again in a different place. Weld it up. Well, tack it on. Get my position in. And then weld it up. Mount it. That's another thing off the list. I've got the brackets in, mounted, holes big enough for the nuts and the studs. I'm just trying to find a position for the seat now. I think I'm going to have to flatten that so it sits flat on the box section. To see where it. So, got the brackets on the seat, but it's sitting kind of where I want it to be. But the front side is not sitting on the bit of box section. I'm just gonna have to make this bit here at the top flat, and that should make it sit. On the inside there. There we go. So that was a fail. On these brackets, I just sat in the car in the seat, and on those brackets I'm sitting way too high up. So I think I might just have to make my own, chop them up. Yeah, fabricate my own maybe. Cut this bottom bit off and weld it onto them. Or get another bit of box section, another 2 bits of box section. Go from here to here. The back on both sides. And then maybe cut these off. And put them on there. The bucket seat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back another day and attack this again. Oh, this is where I want to be kind of sitting. Close I can be to the tunnel. Somewhere, so I need to take some measurements and see if I can still use them in some way. If not, then they can go. I can get some fat bars from U-channel, cut a notch out of it for it to fit on the box section. But yeah, I thought it was a new plan to fit this. Yeah, I think I'm going to be setting a bit further back or a bit too close to here. I don't feel like I've got enough leverage on the handbrake. We'll see.